Let's welcome back. What is the clean function and its advantages in Excel? So basically, if you'd like to learn all these things, please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills. And here we go, how to use the clean formula for work actually. So if you look at this, all these are the different numbers, right? So they have a hexadecimal and decimal formatting numbers. These are system driven. Basically, your keyboards, whatever the numbers you are clicking at the backside, technical number, ANSI code will be there. These ANSI codes, most of the codes, non-printable codes will be there. Okay. If any non-printable code is there, that you would like to clean it from your Excel, how do you do that? It may be like what is the basic advantage? Advantage. So I'm sorry, I'm fumbling. So you're copying the data from Word documents, from web, somewhere you would like to clean the data, okay, before checking that one. How do we do that? Let me help you on this regard. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel to learn further. So if you look at this, here you can see this character 7 is this symbol. So character 8, so this is non-printable basically. So this is why I'm giving this one spaces, horizontal space and vertical space within the cell. What exactly it is, I will help you out. If you look at this is combined with varchar is the keyword. Is the again 16 ANSI code. Okay, non-printable code. You can for your understandable language. So if I would like to clean this one, so like this is simple text. Every time I'm showing an example, you might have 100 pages of the text is there in a novel or something like that. Such a case, if this character is unfortunately it is available, maybe XYZ reason, if you want to clean it, you can able to clean it. So see now this B it gone. Okay, the similar way, let me show you one more time. CLEN EAN. So select the text from the target cell. So clean. Okay. Let me try to drag and drop. Here one quick observation will be there. So if I see horizontal space won't be removed. That's what I'm telling. But vertical level, if you see king and robin, see now it is concatenated. That is one advantage. See that's so like it will go on. Here you see think that it is a blank. Actually, one character actually it is there, hidden character. So let's try to bring the formula. So varchar is copied. This is how you can able to see this is gone, right? So if I would like to concatenate it with some text, okay, take the and symbol, okay, double colons, uh, SUCCESS, success is easy, okay. So how it is copied. So in the similar way, you can able to play with the system, okay. This is how the clean is the function to remove the your ANSI non-printable codes from the system. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Wishing you all the best. If you want to learn further, please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills.